Forms of verbs. Verbs in English language have 5 forms. They are base verb, simple present tense, present participle, simple past tense, past participle with helping verbs. The base form is the root word with no ending attached. It functions in the simple present forms for all persons and numbers. The base form and the simple present tense are mostly identical. Verbs in simple present tense take on the suffix s, es, ies in the third person singular. Example: I go, first person singular. She goes, third person singular. Past participle verbs have various endings. The past participle form is used with has, have and had to show perfect tenses. For example, I have done my work. The past participle form of a verb is also used with other helping verbs in passive voice sentences. For example, the clothes were hung by me. The work was done by me. Present participle verbs end with ing. For example, the clothes are hanging on the clothesline. Let us revise all the verb forms. For some verbs, the simple past and the past participle remain the same. For example, for the words burn and catch. Observe that the simple past and the past participle of the words burn and catch are the same, that is, burned, burnt and caught. For some verbs, the simple past and the past participle remain the same as the base form. For example, for the words cost and put. Observe that the simple past and the past participle of the verbs cost and put remain the same as the base form. For some verbs, the simple past is regular, but the past participle is irregular. For example, for the words mow and show. Here, the simple past forms mowed and showed are regular, while the past participle forms mown and shown are irregular. For some verbs, the simple past and the past participle differ. For example, for the words be and go, they are was, were and been for the verb be. For the word go, they are went and gone.